Hi, my name is Darren. I'm founder and owner of Professional Foundation Repair. We service the LA Orange County area for the last 13 years. We specialize in structural foundation repairs. We do everything from a full replacement to a retrofit for your house. One thing that separates us from other companies is that we offer full service drainage, waterproofing, and foundation repair. So we can give you a combo deal to make sure that we solve both issues for you, because 90% of your water issues or your foundation issues are due to water intrusion in some form. If you're a homeowner and you would like a free inspection today, call Professional Foundation Repair, the best foundation repair company in Southern California.